Hey there, this is Jeremy G, and I just wanted to make a really quick review of my 12 South Curve Flex. I've been taking this with me on all my travels as part of my portable home office, and it's been really great at elevating the height of my laptop to ensure that I'm able to get work done while maintaining a good posture and preventing a lot of potential neck strain and neck issues. It has a generous amount of silicone padding on all of its contact points to prevent your laptop from slipping off when you're using it, and since it's made out of aluminum, it's really light and durable at the same time, which is why I really like using this laptop stand whenever I travel. It even comes with a carrying pouch that has a dedicated pocket to store an Allen wrench that it comes with so that you can adjust the laptop stand while you're on the go, which I thought was a really nice touch. It's really easy to set up or take down and doesn't take up a whole lot of space in a laptop bag or backpack, which is why I think the Curve Flex is noticeably more well designed than a lot of other laptop stands that I've owned. So if you're looking for a high quality laptop stand that's very well constructed and very portable, especially if you like to travel a lot like me or work from anywhere that you can, then I highly recommend picking up a 12 South Curve Flex for yourself.